Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. If you want, pwede kang magpa-personal reading during Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And kung gusto mo, pwede kang subscribe sa ating TikTok, mag-follow. Ayan, dyan ako magla-live at saka sa Madam P Vlogs na channel. So, let's start. This is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. By the way, sorry about my card. Medyo mahirap siyang i-shuffle. Kasi medyo luma na siya. But this is one of my favorite. Kaya gagamitin ko siya ngayon. And yeah, hopefully, kung hindi ka makarelate, okay lang ha. May mga next readings pa. Sana mag-comment ka sa baba. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yan. So, hindi mo lang alam kung gaano mo ako napapasaya dyan sa mga comment na yan. So, anyway, you do have here the Seven of Pentacles. Let's clarify this. Knight of Wands. Ace of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. I'm seeing a lot of money here sa energy mo. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. So this is like maybe a new beginning. Pwede nga iba matagal mo nang sinimulan. But I can see this is, with the Queen of Swords, this is your profession, your career, na pwedeng ginagrow, or ikaw na ito mismo na nag-grow mismo sa sarili mo. Like, you know, pwedeng may mga ginagawa ka regarding sa new beginnings mo para mas lalo ka pang mag-grow. And nakikita natin yung happiness mo sa ginagawa mo with the Knight of Wands because you are actually happy with the result na rin. Sabihin na natin pwede may mga result ka na rin na nakikita, may mga balita ka naririnig na maganda. So kahit pa paano nakikita natin nag-grow. Pwedeng hindi mo pa siya naaani sa ngayon, kung ano man yung mga bagay na itinanim mo noon, pwedeng hindi mo pa naaani. I feel like yung iba sa inyo continues on new beginnings pa rin. So kahit hindi mo pa naaani itong isang bagay na ito, pwedeng may mga new beginnings pa rin na sinisimulan ka na naman ngayon na pwedeng nagbibigay na naman ng growth sa'yo. Which is actually, this is a growth na pwedeng hindi lang ikaw yung involved, pwedeng may mga ibang tao rin na tumutulong to help you. Okay? So, nakikita naman natin na yung journey na ito towards your goals ay nagiging masaya para sa'yo. So, this is your main energy. Okay, regarding the person that you're dealing with, kukunin natin yung kanyang main energy. For Earth sign, please. For Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. For Earth sign, please. What do we have here for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? You do have here the Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Wands. Page of Wands is here. I can see communication sa inyo na itong person na ito. Oh, actually, you do have your Page of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Tapos meron ka rin ditong Seven of Pentacles. So, both of you are having the same energy. And that is an angel number 77 for you. Pwede may communication sa inyo ng person na ito. Both of you are nakafocus dito sa growth and stability, career. I'm feeling like itong person na ito, nakafocus din siya sa kanyang mga new beginnings. And pwedeng alam mo yon. Anyway, more on material things ang focus ninyo ng person na ito. But I want to know, ano bang meron sa connection na ito? Ano bang meron sa connection na ito? Kasi kailangan malaman natin anong meron dito sa connection ninyo. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong meron sa connection nila ng person niya. You do have a romantic feelings and getting to know each other. So I can see a lot of, this could be a new person na nagpapakita ng attraction sa'yo. Or paparating pa lang sa buhay mo itong taong ito. Yeah. This person is actually eyeing on you. Nakatingin na siya sa'yo. Nakamasid na siya sa'yo. Nakita niya yung mga ginagawa mo. And tell me more for Earth sign, please. For some of you, this is a soulmate connection. You do over the Page of Wands. Yeah, you're mirroring each other. Yung iba sa inyo, this could be a twin flame. The Sun is here. 10 of Wands. For Earth sign, please. Six of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and the Five of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Fool. For Earth sign, please. Wedding is here. Release your ex. So, I feel like habang nagko-concentrate ka ngayon sa iyong happiness, I can see communication or paparating na communication sa inyong dalawa. This person, nakakaranas siya ng maraming pag-aaway, kaguluhan dito. With the Five of Wands. This person is, Six of Pentacles is here. Tinatry niyang i-balance or ayusin ang kanyang finances. This person wants to sign something, like a contract with you. This person, nakikita natin siya as someone na parang may mga bagay lang siyang gustong maayos financially, like maybe yun nga, pwedeng contract or maybe maybe may mga bagay na mga taong pinagkakautangan or nakautang sa kanya. Nagkautang sa kanya, parang gusto niya lang ayusin yun. This person, I feel like hindi siya nagiging honest sa connection ninyo. Kasi nga, pwedeng hindi pa siya ready. Maybe, may mga nakakaaway siya ngayon, or maybe nandito siya sa isang relationship wherein, with the release your ex, nagkakaproblema sa kanya ng kanilang relationship, and maybe yung kanyang relationship na yun is parang gusto niya na mag-end, pero kailangan niya lang ayusin yung mga dapat ayusin. I feel like for some of you, nilalabanan mo itong lungkot or sakit na nararamdaman mo ngayon. Kaya tinatry mo maging masaya, pinapakita mong you're happy. Pero nakatingin ka ngayon sa reality, sa realidad ng maybe ng buhay or sa connection ninyo. Ano yung future between the two of you? If this is a soulmate or twin flame connection, nakakaramdam ako ng malapit na reunion or reconciliation na possible mangyari sa connection na ito. The moment na umalis ka and fully nag-withdraw ka sa connection. The moment na in-embrace mo or tinanggap mo yung freedom or yung, yung sarili mo, like maybe kumbaga tinignan mo na lang yung future, na bahala na ang future kung anong ibibigay sa akin. The moment na ganun, na tinanggal mo yung expectations at umalis ka sa connection with your person, you release this person, nakikita natin na yun yung time na yung person na ito ay malapit ng sumunod sa'yo, like makipag-reconcile sa'yo. Spirit guides, angel guys, please tell me. The Emperor is here. And the Nine of Pentacles. King of Swords. The Strength card. You do over the Ten of Swords, the Ace of Swords, and the Ten of Wands. Oh, wow. The World is also here. Please tell me. Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Cups. In the near future for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, express your love is here. Tell me more. Engagement, wow. Reconciliation and codependency. Separation is at the bottom of the deck. And new love, wow. For some of you, there's a new love coming in here for you. Kung ito ay ex or past person, someone is going to reach out for you. Pag nakuha mo na yung strength mo, you're already okay. Nilayan mo na or nag-release ka na dito sa person na ito from the past and you are the emperor, wala ka na pakialam. There's this new person who is going to express yung kanyang emotions towards you. If you're dealing with the soulmate or twin flame, nakikita natin that the separation might end between the two of you. Pwedeng mag-end. This is a separation, that there's this new love. And pwedeng ito yung new connection, new chapter sa inyong dalawa. Na the person na ito, the moment that you free yourself from expectations mula dito sa person na ito, which is your soulmate, the moment na nag-trust ka na lang sa connection ninyo, or nagtiwala ka na lang na time will come, itong person nito, bahala na kung ibigay siya ng universe or hindi. This person, makikita niya kung ano man yung meron sa connection ninyong dalawa. And I feel like this person is going to reach out because nakikita natin na nalulungkot siya, no? Parang nare-realize niya kailangan ka pa rin niya. Ikaw yung happiness niya with the sun. This person realized na walang ibang makakapagpasaya sa kanya with the Hierophant kundi ikaw. With the Devil, Capricorn energy, punong-puno ng realizations itong taong to regarding sa kanyang mga ginawa or sa mga, maybe sa mga nasa paligid niya ngayon. And reconciliation is coming kasi may mga bagay na nakakapagpagising sa person na ito ngayon. And I feel like this person is going to express his or her emotions towards you in the near future. And kung ano man yung mag-end dito with the Ace of Swords and the World, this could be, I feel like yung may pagkakalayo sa inyo eh. So ito yung nakikita natin mag-end. And also at the same time, kung ano man yung mga bagay na nasa harapan niya ngayon, masyado siyang nahihirapan, nabibigatan, and this person is not happy. And then dito niya na-realize, this is not what I want. This is not what I dreamed or what I wish for. So with the Queen of Cups, this is your person coming back. Babalik itong person na ito. Kasi na-realize niya na yung pagkakalayo sa inyo, hindi pala yun yung bagay na makakapagpasaya sa kanya. Alam mo, dalawang energy na nakuha natin. Sana nakuha mo kung saan sa'yo doon. If you're dealing with an ex, there's a new person coming in. If you're dealing with a twin flame or a soulmate, there's this person coming back to your life. And dahil na-realize niya kung ano yung mga bagay na ito. Ayan, no? The Hierophant is here. This is some kind of learning na ito pa lang, the devil is not what I want. Which is might be in the past. Akala niya ito yung makakapagpasaya sa kanya, pero kabaliktaran. With the 5 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups is here. There's a lot of betrayal with the 4 of Swords. So kung may relationship na involved dito with the 2 of Cups, may mga betrayal or pagsisinungaling or hindi magandang connection with the Magician na nangyayari sa inyo. So this person will no longer look back once na mag-take siya ng risk. This person is, look at the Hanged Man. It's like, nakaano na lang siya. Wala na siyang pakialam. Hindi na siya nagre-resist or hindi niya na pinipigilan kung ano man itong mangyayari sa connection ninyong dalawa. So anyway, thank you for watching.